Hi friends, welcome to Shomax channel, and today's video is about nail polish which I recently bought in dollar store, and this box contains 6 polishes and it cost $3. I hope it's visible, and each polish contains 7 ml, and the brand name mentioned over here is Kozmic Colours. Let's see how the shades looks. I'm going to pick one of the color and I'm going to apply on my nails. See, this bottle is very cute and handy. Personally, I like it. Okay. And already I have applied base coat on my nails. I'm directly going to apply the polish. Let's move on to next color.